Hi you guys, my name is Brittany and today I am back with a seafood boil. I got some shrimp, some Alfredo sauce, some eggs, some cucumbers, and let's get it started. Mm. Mm. That's not that bad. It's so creamy. Oh yeah, it's good and it's affordable. I got all of this from Walmart for maybe about $20 at the most. Because some of the stuff I already had home. Yeah. When you add the cucumber, just give it such a fresh taste. It's so good. Yeah, couldn't wait to get home. I went to work 7 this morning, got off at 2. So I needed this relaxed time with some good food. Even the egg is good with Alfredo sauce. Y'all should try it. My egg falling apart. But I'm trying to upload more videos because I haven't been doing YouTube that long. And I'm trying to get my views up, you know. So y'all comment and let me know what type of videos I should do that would make my YouTube channel get more views. Comment down below. I'm telling y'all, egg and Alfredo is good. Oh, that was good. But that was disrespectful. I'm making a mess. Yeah. And this is why I didn't know it was like this when these YouTubers be eating this Alfredo sauce. You have to eat with a bib. Yeah, I'm a very light eater. My stomach can't hold much. I'm already full. No, I'm gonna try to eat it all. I think. But I don't understand all the hype over shrimp and Alfredo sauce, and everybody eat shrimp Alfredo or seafood Alfredo. I mean, they knew who I was gonna taste when they ate it, so I don't get that. Don't do it. You know my mom's story. Don't do it. But I feel like you don't always have to, buy a bunch of seafood just to do these mukbangs. Unless you can afford a lot of seafood. But right now, I can't afford all of this, so I just got my stuff from Walmart. How many more somebody got in here? I'm so sleepy. Like I said, I just got off of work. Went in at 7 this morning. Got off at 9 o'clock last night and had to be there at 7 this morning. What was y'all first job when y'all was kids? Walmart is my first job, but it's where I'm currently working. But what jobs did y'all have when y'all was working as teenagers? Jesus Christ. Jesus. I don't like stuff dripping down my face because it make my face itch. Jesus. I'm full. I guess it's because I'm tired. Like, I really can't eat that much because I'm tired. I'm really ready to go to bed, honestly. Mm.
Yeah, I did. You said don't get hurt. No, you don't want over here. Ain't nobody even know you was over here. Yes. Yes. No. No, I'm just working already. Nope. Jimmy Grant, come on. Yeah. Let me tell you one thing. You my way in this house here, I got something for you.
No, excuse the noise. I live with about 20 people. And when you live with that many people, there's no quiet place in the house. So I just kind of work with what I got. Yeah. I didn't think I would eat it all. But I did. That's a shock. But thank y'all for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Get my views up. I would really appreciate it. And I'll be back soon with another mukbang. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat next. I might do the 2-time spicy wing challenge. Even though I don't like hot stuff. I can't eat nothing hot. I start coughing and just going crazy, choking right after I take one bite. So I'm gonna try it out and see. Thank y'all.